Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Normal scenario भितर every first Thursday of every month municipalityचे आमी इशू आसा ते घेवन बसता. सो आयचे आज एक केक कातरला आनी बरें दिसता की कावन्सिलरान केक कातरला म्हणून. सो इशू आसा की कसले इशू पेंडिंग आसा हे आमदार गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन मुन्सिपालिटीची उरल्या तेंचे कडेन फॉलो अप करून काम व्हरपाची फुडें व्हरपाची काम आमी करता. सो आज 8-7 कावन्सिलर येयले तेंचे विशय कितें आसले ते फुडें व्हरपाचो प्रयत्न आमी करता.
As decided by our MLA that he would visit municipality every first Thursday to sort out all our issues of all our councillors. Today he came to our municipality, discussed various issues of our councillors and sorted them out. And it is a very good thing that he is coming to our municipality. In fact, we should go to him, but he comes to municipality to understand our difficulties and our problems. And also there were many people who came to visit him, which is a very good thing.